Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Safra Korea, and I'm back with another recipe of mine. It's the surmai fry, the kingfish. So for this I've taken around half kg of surmai, and for the marination I've added around 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, around half a teaspoon of pepper powder, ginger garlic paste around 2 teaspoons, and I've added a little bit of vinegar, just around 1 teaspoon. You can also add lime juice, around 1 lime, or also tamarind water. Any of these three options you can use. So mix this well into a nice homogeneous mix, and see all this masala and the spices should coat all the fish evenly and nice so that it can be marinated well. I always prefer to marinate in a glass container because that's the safest and a healthier option. Since in our marinade we are always adding something acidic, and glass doesn't react to anything that's acidic. So that's the reason I always prefer using a glass borosil bowl or a container. So once it's mixed into a nice marinade, we're going to cover this and keep it aside in the fridge for almost 2 to 3 hours. So in a pan I've added coconut oil and some rice flour just spread out on a plate. And each fish just coat it with some rice flour. You can also add semolina, that's rava, as a coating. Some people do dip it in a egg batter and then give a coating of semolina, but you can also do it directly. After this, just fry it on medium flame. And fish, it doesn't take much time to fry and cook. Don't keep the flame too high because it will get burnt very fast. Just keep it on medium heat. After one side of it is fried, just turn the fish. You can see it's become nice and golden brown. That's the color we want the fish to be, nice and crispy. So fry it till you get this nice color on the fish, golden brown. So once it's done, just lay it on a plate, and I don't need to use paper napkins to drain the oil off, because I'm using coconut oil in this preparation, and definitely it's a better option than the vegetable or the seed oil. So you can try this recipe of mine, and it's such a quick and a easy one. Definitely you will like making this surmai fish fry, and do subscribe to my channel for more such updates. I make a lot of interesting content on my channel. So see you all in my next videos. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with everyone.